Welcome to a market update for April 2024 for zip code 20147. Let's get started with single families.
We had 13 new listings, which is up 30% month over month and down 60.6% year over year.
20 properties went under contract, which is up 81.8% month over month and down 13% year over year.
We had 15 properties that closed, which is up 87.5% month over month and down 6.3% year over year.
The median sold price was $978,500, which is up 7.5% month over month and also up 9% year over year.
Average days on market was 9.
Average sold to original list price ratio is 101.7%. Now let's take a look at townhouses.
We had 27 new listings, which is up 125% month over month, but down 12.9% year over year.
30 properties went under contract, which is up 114.3% month over month and also up 25% year over year.
14 properties closed, which is down 33.3% month over month and down 17.6% year over year.
The median sold price is $732,500, which is up 12.5% month over month and also up 8.5% year over year.
Average days on market for townhomes was 25.
And average sold to original list price ratio was 100.4%. Now let's talk about condos.
32 new condos were listed, which is up 14.3% month over month and also up 28.0% year over year.
28 condos went under contract, which is up 16.7% month over month and also up 16.7% year over year.
23 condos closed, which is up 53.3% month over month and up 27.8% year over year.
The median sold price was $475,000, which is down 13.9% month over month, but up 10.3% year over year.
Average days on market was 13.
Average sold to original list price ratio was 100.6%. We are the McLoughlin Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County. You could reach us at www.mclaughlinansummer.realtor.